Ever used Airwallex and found yourself wondering, can I actually get my money out of this account? You're not alone. Let's dive into how to withdraw your Airwallex balance and explore the different methods available. Airwallex is a popular choice for businesses, offering a range of financial services like international transfers, currency exchange, and business cards. But what happens when you need to access your funds? Can you easily withdraw your Airwallex balance? The answer is a resounding yes, but let's break down the specifics. Withdrawal methods. Local bank transfers. This is usually the most common and straightforward method. You typically initiate a withdrawal within the Airwallex platform, selecting your local bank account as the destination. The funds are then transferred directly to your account, usually within a specific time frame, which can vary depending on your location and the receiving bank. International bank transfers. If you need to withdraw funds to an international bank account, Airwallex also supports this. You'll need to provide the necessary bank details, including the IBAN or SWIFT code, to ensure the funds reach the correct destination. Keep in mind that international transfers may take longer to process and may incur higher fees compared to local transfers. Business cards. If you have an Airwallex business card, you can easily withdraw funds by using it for ATM withdrawals or making purchases. This provides a convenient way to access your funds on the go. Important considerations. Withdrawal limits. Airwallex may have withdrawal limits in place, depending on your account type and verification level. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these limits to avoid any delays or issues. Withdrawal fees. Be mindful of any applicable withdrawal fees. Some withdrawal methods may have associated fees, so it's essential to check the Airwallex fee schedule beforehand to understand the costs involved. Processing times. Withdrawal processing times can vary depending on the chosen method, your location, and the receiving bank. Factor in potential processing delays when planning your withdrawals. Currency conversion. If you're withdrawing funds in a currency different from your base currency, keep in mind that currency conversion rates will apply. Airwallex typically provides competitive exchange rates, but it's always a good idea to compare them with other providers. Tips for smooth withdrawals. Verify your account. Ensure your Airwallex account is properly verified to avoid any withdrawal restrictions. This usually involves providing necessary documentation, such as proof of identity and address. Double-check details. Always double-check the bank details you enter when initiating a withdrawal to prevent any delays or incorrect transfers. Contact support. If you encounter any issues or have any questions regarding withdrawals, reach out to Airwallex customer support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.